Hey guys, so I'm just going to go over how to use the full screen mode that has been added to QuestMap Pro, as well as address a small extra step that needs to be done in integration. So when you set up your own HUD, you go through the process of configuring these interface functions, which is the get minimap widget, get world map widget, and get compass widget. Now there is an additional one now, which is get world map size box. So in order to do this, this will automatically be added if you've updated the files or you're using the most recent version. What we want to do is we want to get a reference to the size box that the world map is within. So this should just be set up as normal. As you can see, it's all set up exactly how we did through the tutorial. But what we want to do is set this to is variable. Now it's called world map size box. We need to remember that. So compile and save and then go over to your graph and then open up this function here. And then you just want to drag a reference of that onto there. That will stop the error that pops up. I'll just show you if I don't have that connected. Everything still works, but when I exit out, there's going to be this error here. If we hook this one up, that error is going to go away. Yep. Still showing the error message from last time, but you can see there's no error in here. So that then fixes that error. If you want to use this map as before, that's all set up and going, ready to go. If, however, you want to use the full screen mode, once you've fixed that up, what you want to do is go into your controller, go to the map component, and down here under the world map configuration settings, there's a setting called use full screen world map. If you enable that, that will make the map automatically fit to the size of the viewport. Now there is this full screen padding here to give you a border around it. I'm just going to set that to 0 so we can see it in true full screen. And if I hit play, you can see the map is now completely full screen. And that will be the case regardless of my window size. However, it will take the window size at startup. So if we set this to, let's go to 1080p. We now have a different window size and shape, but the map is still full screen, and you can see there's a border around it, so we know that it's gone to that right size. If you want to get rid of the border, that's as simple as just getting this world map border texture, setting it to blank. Now at the moment the mini map is still here. I'm going to add a automatic way to toggle that off, but you can just set it up to toggle off yourself when you hit the map binding. But everything still works. The filters still work. Placing waypoints and notes still works. It's really simple. And it's just set up to automatically size to your viewport regardless of the resolution. So that's it. That's the full screen mode up and working. And thank you very much for watching.